The Laser Leveling Grater Scraper Turn Blade by Erdvark Engineering is a state-of-the-art grading and scraping tool designed for use in various industries, including construction, agriculture, and road maintenance. This tool is designed to ensure precise grading, leveling, and scraping operations, providing a high level of accuracy and efficiency. At the heart of this tool is a laser leveling system that provides precise and accurate leveling, ensuring consistent and uniform grading. The laser leveling system uses high-intensity lasers to project a level plane over the surface to be graded, allowing the operator to see exactly where adjustments are needed. The laser leveling system is highly customizable and can be adjusted to suit the specific requirements of the job at hand. The turn blade of the Laser Leveling Grater Scraper Turn Blade is a highly advanced component that provides versatility in scraping operations. The turn blade is made of high-strength steel, ensuring that it can withstand heavy-duty use and provide a high level of durability. The turn blade is equipped with a hydraulic system that allows the operator to control the angle and depth of the blade, ensuring precise and consistent scraping operations.